Dear friend, are you a movie lover? Do you like to watch movies all the time? Then this video is just for you. In this video, I'll let you know how to earn some extra money besides watching movies. So let's get started. Open up your browser and in the browser address bar type cdn.zerohost.co. You can see cdn.zerohost.co. Hit enter from your keyboard. Then you will come to this site. Actually, this is a new site. This is a wonderful site to watching movies for totally free. It's like YouTube. You can find so many movies here, like different kind of languages movies like Korean, Bengali, English, and all the kind of movie you can find here. So you can watch movies totally free from here. You can search if you want to see any movies here. And the now question is how to earn money from this site. So to earn money, you need to open an account here. You can say I have an account. So all you have to do, just make an account here. Just click this icon and click register. Then fill up this form. It's totally free. You don't need any money to open an account. This site is totally free. So as I have an account, I'm just gonna log in there. After coming here, now if you have some movie collection, all you can do just upload your movie and you can start your earnings. So how to upload movies? Suppose at first you have to search here, like if you want to upload any movies, you need to see is this movie available here or not. If it's not available, then you just upload it. Okay, so I have a movie in my computer like Venom. So you can see it's not available in this site. Now I can upload it. Click upload and select your movie, like this one. Then it will start uploading on their site. So now how to earn money? They said they'll give you some money just for uploading your movies. If anybody watches your movie, then you will start earning. Let's go to their settings. You can complete your profile picture. If you upload 3 movies, then they will enable your monetization. Then you will start money. If somebody watches a movie, you will earn 0.02 cent here. That means if you upload some movies and if you get a daily like 1000 views, like 0.02 into 1000, you can see you can earn $20 per day if you can have 1000 views. I have opened this account 2 days ago. I just uploaded few movies, like 3 to 4 movies. Then I got some views and I earned this amount. If you can earn 50 USD, then you have to write your PayPal address and submit withdrawal request. And how much they pay for your movies? Let's go to their video studio section. You can see I just have 35 views, only 35 views, and I got this amount totally. So if you can have 1000 views, you can simply earn $20 per day. It's very simple. So don't worry, my friends. Actually, like this site is copyright free, so you don't have to worry about those things. Just collect some movies from online and you can start earning here. So you can ask me how to get views, like how I can get 1000 views per day. So all you can do, just go to YouTube. Suppose you can see I have some videos here, like the view is this one. Now copy this name, go to YouTube and search for this name, like, yeah, of course it's search by this movie name, and you can see there are a lot of videos or trailer about these movies. Like, yeah, this video got 28k views. Now click this video and go to comment section, and you can tell them like, was full the Furious movie free in this link. Then just copy your movie link here and then copy your link here from here and paste it here and make comment. So by this way, viewers will come here to watch the trailer and they will get your movie watching link, and they will click the link and you will get some views from YouTube. And you can share this file, share your movies from here. So by this way, and also people can, if people know that you are a good uploader, you are uploading good movies, they will subscribe to your channel and they will watch your movies. So by this way you can earn some good monies from this side. So you start collecting movie and upload your movies. If you have a Wi-Fi router in your home, so it's not a big deal for you to collect movie, because you know every internet provider, they have FTP server. Like my server have a FTP server, so they upload movie regularly in their FTP server. I can find a lot of movies from their site. And if I want to download any movies, so it's very easy for me to download any movies. Just suppose this movie, if I want to download this movie, it's 3 GB, you know, but it will take only 2 to 3 minutes for me to download in my computer. So it's very easy. If you have a router Wi-Fi network in your home, you can upload from your FTP server. Just ask your internet provider, what is my FTP server, what is my FTP server address, website. Then download your movies from there and upload it to this site, Zero Host, and start earning money. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Bye bye.